Welcome back to Primetime News. Persons over the age of 60 years with persistent back pain should be encouraged to get it checked by a medical doctor. Shamela Pullen tells us more in the health report.
It develops in the bone marrow. That's a soft spongy tissue found in the center of many bones.
It is pretty common. It's probably the commonest, one of the commonest malignancies we see in our adult population. Most of our patients are going to be in their 60s and over, but we do have persons who are younger, so we may have persons who are in their 40s having multiple myeloma. Those are the patients that we see most commonly, over 60.
It's not clear what causes multiple myeloma, but consultant hematologist and oncologist at University Hospital of the West Indies, Professor Gillian Worf says the most common symptom is back pain.
So these persons can have bone pain. They can have fractures very easily. They could be going into a car and they break a leg because the bone becomes very, very thin. Because of the increased plasma cells in the bone marrow, what happens is that the other normal cells are suppressed. So the patients can be anemic, have a low blood count. They can have a low platelet count.
There are several treatment options available locally. However, as it relates to transplant procedures, that's done abroad.
The stem cells come from you, right? The stem cells come from, not from another individual. And so, unfortunately, we can't do that in Jamaica, but we do have opportunities to refer our patients. We've had patients who have been treated in Cuba, the USA, Canada, a number of places. And what transplant does is that although it's not curative, it does extend the period of remission and overall survival for patients.
With our health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.